Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add channel art. Okay, go to youtube.com and click on your channel icon. After that, your channel, then customize channel. Okay, then click on branding, then scroll down and you can see here uh, banner image and click on upload. After that, you will go to this window, then you can see here how different devices looks your channel banner art. Okay, click on done and then click on publish. That's it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.